बहुत धन्यवाद। अगली प्रतिभागी हैं वैष्णवी सेंगर, इसके बाद अनुपमा पटनहा और अनुभव शुक्ला आगे आकर बैठ जाएंगे।
यहाँ मंदिर की आरती, मस्जिद की अजान, गुरुद्वारे का कीर्तन, चर्च का है गान। हर रूप हर रंग हर कण में बसाया, संविधान ने हमको एक सूत्र में बंधाया। Honorable dignitaries and the energies of young India are present here. Very warm greetings to one and all. This is Vaishnavi Singh Sengar standing before you representing the youth of Bharat in today's assembly. But before talking about today, I will speak about the transformative event that happened 75 years in the past, but whose waves of impact can still be felt today, tomorrow, and countless years to come. On the 26th of November 1949, inside the glorious halls of the Constituent Assembly, we, the people of India, decided to adopt, enact, and give to ourselves the Constitution of India. We, the people. These are not just three magical words. They are the brave declaration, a collective promise, and a strong belief that this Constitution is of the people, by the people, and for the people. The 75 years of completion of this Constitution is a slap on the face of those who commented on 15th August 1947 कि हिंदुस्तान ज़्यादा दिन टिक नहीं पाएगा। मैं उनसे सिर्फ इतना ही कहना चाहूँगी जनाब कि हिंदुस्तान न सिर्फ टिक गया बल्कि आज विश्व का सबसे बड़ा लोकतंत्र, पांचवी सबसे बड़ी अर्थव्यवस्था और वह पहला राष्ट्र है जिसने चंद्रमा के दक्षिणी ध्रुव पर अपना फतह फहराया है। पिछले 75 सालों से हर भारतीय के संविधान और हर राष्ट्र की नागरिकता की रक्षा करता आया है हमारा सबसे पवित्र ग्रंथ, हमारा संविधान। The fathers of our Constitution saw a dream one day that we will live in an India where whether you are Hindu, Muslim, Sikh or Isai, you will have justice, equality and freedom, where a ticket collector can become the captain of the Indian cricket team, where a newspaper seller can become the missile man of India, and even if you are a woman, nobody in this world can stop you from flying a fighter jet in the Indian Air Force. But ladies and gentlemen, this is not the end of our journey, because we still live in India where Manipur was still burning while the cameras were focused on the weddings of billionaires, where young men like Atul Subhash were losing their lives because you were focused on equality, freedom and peace, while the loopholes in laws never seem to cease, where amendments keep coming, the list goes long, but do we see where the fixes are wrong? No, because today it is our fundamental duty to protect the ideals of our Constitution in our decisions, actions, and goals, to cherish the destination of Akhand Bharat, Viksit Bharat by 2047. Thank you so much. Jai Bharat, Jai Hind.
बहुत धन्यवाद। अगली प्रतिभागी